This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So thanks for waiting, everybody. Now here, value material contract, value general, quantity contract, and service contract. Somehow here the master contract got missed. Let me just quickly copy that once. It is copying the tables, kindly wait. Okay. So we worked understanding on inquiry, followed by quotation, followed by all three sales order types, right? Now today, master contract, quantity contract, value general, value material, and service contract. Now these all five are the contract types. Please understand. These all five are the contract types. Now, according to the preference, one among the contract is used for a preference, right? So, if you all, hope you all remember the purpose of every contract type, what I explained. Master contract is used to undersign a contract between two parties with just an agreed terms and conditions. So a contract undersigned between two parties with just agreed terms and conditions. There is no product coming in picture. Okay, see. Now here, category, number ranges internal, external, probability, output application, screen sequence, transaction group, pricing, display range, function code. That's all. Other than these, none of the other fields are applicable even as optional. So only these fields are applicable. Why? no item number increment, no sub item number increment, no item division, no read info record. See, these all are relevant to product. When there is no product, then what you see? When there is no product, what you see? So that's the point here. Okay, so understand the logic here. So only these fields are applicable. So no product related fields. So category here is the sales document category 0, that is master contract. And the number range is internal, external. Yes, probability is 100% because yes, contract is 100% committed. And screen sequence group is GK, that is the screen layout which stores the fields relevant to master contract is GK. Transaction group 4, yes, all contracts fall into 4. That is, see, all three order types fall into 0. That is the group. 5 contract types fall into 4, remember. And document pricing procedure, it may be A, it may be B, they are system standards. The next coming topic is pricing only. We make our own one like how I made for other batches. For time being, let it be as V. So what price is applicable, system will understand with reference to the document pricing procedure. And display range, yes, all main are selected. Always we mark as all so that you get to explore the complete layout. Now, function code for overview screen. Till now we maintain UER2, which will directly take you to the product given screen. But here we are maintaining UER1. UER2, even as optional, it is not applicable. Why? Because since there is no product, why we go to item level? It is to be gone to general level. So system should take you to the general level. That's the intention. So even as optional for master contract, UER2 is not applicable. Only UER1. That's all. Now under number system, general control, transaction flow, only these. Now if you are coming down under billing, your billing plan type. Your billing plan type. So if you all remember, master contract is undersigned with just terms and conditions I said, right? So terms and conditions also have some billing clarities, right? For example, two companies are undersigned a contract with some terms and conditions. So they prefer to have a billing plan, for example. What is billing plan? Think about you have taken a loan, car loan, home loan, etc. You pay your EMI monthly, right? So that is the concept of periodical. Paying the premium monthly is periodical. We have milestone. What is milestone? Think about your insurance plan. You have a flexibility of paying quarterly premium or half yearly premium or annually premium. It means what? You are selecting a slab. You are selecting a slab. Quarterly LP or half yearly LP or annual LP, and you are paying at that mode. So milestone billing is all about timeline based. Periodical billing is all about recurring. So always best practice will mark as 02. It is not like 01 is not applicable. Most preferred is 02. So where 01 is applicable, that we'll discuss in the coming documents. And here, this is not for us, ignore. Here, contract profile. Remember, we have two types of profiles. 1 year contract with renewal. Now here, I said master contract is all about terms and conditions. So the terms and conditions, what we understand, this year fine, next year it can be extendable. Yes, it is only terms and conditions. It's not like this year terms and conditions may not be applicable for next year. See, maybe may not be. So if you mark as 001, it is just for 1 year. After that, the contract expires. If you mark as 002, it goes for 1 year. If you want, you can extend it for the next year, or else you can close and you can sign a new contract. So dual purpose, we mark 002, 001 or 002. Anyone can be applicable. So these are the only fields which are applicable under master contract. So concept of master contract, accordingly the fields. Now quantity contract. A contract undersigned between two parties for an agreed quantity. Contract undersigned between two parties for an agreed quantity. And here the contract is valid for certain time. The contract profile here to be given as 1 year. Okay, fine. Even though you don't give 1 year also fine. So it is not mandatory to be given 1 year only. So quantity worth committed at the time of contract creation in the front end, you can give the validity. It should not be exact 1 year only. It can be 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 10 months, 12 months, 18 months, anything it can be. So for quantity contract, giving a contract profile is not mandatory. First part, we can give in the front end the timeline of the contract. That's the first point. Second point, document category number in this internal external item number increment item division output. Yes, these are mandatory. Optional are read info record optional, master contract message optional, sub item increment optional, you want to block optional. Only this green marked are mandatory, blue marked are optional. So category here, it is quantity contract. So all contracts fall under one category, that is G. Only master contract, it is separately categorized as 0 because it is non-product related. Remaining all are product related. So G. Number in is internal external item number increment 10. Okay. Reference, if you put on reference over here, with reference to inquiry only the contract works. If you give B with reference to quotation only, the quantity contract should be. So leave it blank so it can be multi-purpose. Directly you can, or with reference you can. We'll see in the front end lively. Probability 100% yes. The person who commits a quantity contract, the quantity worth what he buys, it is committed. Screen sequence group, the screen layout which shows the fields relevant to quantity contract is all about LP. So LP is the layout which shows the fields relevant to quantity contract. Transaction group, yes, it is all about four because all fall under one family, that is contract segment. These are types of contracts: master contract, quantity contract, value general, value material. They are types of contracts. All fall under one group. Document pricing procedure for time being A, let it be. Display range all as we discussed, and function code for overview screen. It can be taken as UER1 or UER2, whichever view it can be. And here message master contract. Message master contract. What is the concept over here? Say already a master contract is undersigned and a person is going to sign a quantity contract. System should ask the reference of the master contract. If so, give A. So system should ask if a master contract is already signed when working on quantity contract. So I give here check or do not check. I'll mark here check. So do you understand how it behaves in the front end? So no shipping related views, no billing related views, and no contract and no availability. So quantity contract got the fields under number system, general control, and transaction flow. That's all. Back. Value general contract. A contract undersigned between two parties for a committed amount. Value general, which can be claimed for any product. Lifetime. Value general. These are the three bullet points. Value contract general, committed for a amount worth, first point, can be claimed for any product, second point, it is lifetime. Okay, so since it is lifetime, when you will come, we don't know. What product for you will come, we don't know. That is the reason probability is zero here. Okay, so category is G, first point, item number increment, sub item number increment. Sorry, number range is internal, external, item number increment, sub item n no have value, either it should be 1 or nil or 10, both in the same. Probability is 0 because there is no valid time and there is no product clarity. So when you will come, we don't know for what product you will come, we don't know. That is the reason probability is 0. A material entity type, a material is been identified with reference to a material number. Item division, yes. Read info record. It is product specific. So the customer's buying behavior, because when, for what purpose, we can't say. See, Grasim got range of products. He may come for a thread, he may come for a button, he may come for a what you say, a trouser, or anything he may come for, a cotton blend or denim blend, anything he can come. So what base the info record? Not applicable. Screen layout which shows the fields relevant to the value general contract is WK. Transaction group is 4. Yes, it falls under contract domain. And document pricing procedure A, V, Y, they all are standards. Let it be for time being. In the coming steps, we'll configure our own document pricing procedure, and this will be replaced. All, and either it can be UER1 or UER2. Apart from this, none of the fields are applicable. This lab, these all service related, not for us. Ignore them. So save it. Only these fields are applicable for value general. Value material contract has slight updates. See, value general, value material, both are contracts only. One is product specific, value material contract is product specific, time specific. That means within that timeline, you can claim only that product for what you undersigned a value contract. See, value general is what? You can claim any product asset. It is lifetime asset. But value material contract here, you can claim only that product and it is timeline based. So these are the two features which makes the difference between value general contract and value material contract. Now here, profile is applicable 1 year. That's all. After 1 year it expires. And billing plan here, I marked as milestone. Why? So think about these, what you say, the cloth showrooms or there is merchandise or the supermarkets. Think the Grasim some product, some model is very popular, and store person signs a value metal contract of that product. So he don't know how much quantity required, as how his product rack, that is his counters, is getting short of stock. He calls the company and he tells this much of quantity, please send. Company do send it, but immediately the amount settlement is not happening between the company Grasim and the store person. Okay, we'll see the bill settlement of every 3 year, 3 months or 6 months or 1 yearly window. We'll see this, right? Customer is not paying, but company is delivering the product. Later we'll go for settlement, monthly, bi-monthly or quarterly, half yearly. So milestone means the understanding between the customer and the company. Customer is Shopper Stop, company is Grasim. So Shopper Stop, as when they want, they are raising an order to Grasim, and Grasim is sending, and the bill settlement happening between them on a timeline base. So milestone billing is for that. And relevant to billing plan milestone, you have billing type FV, that is contract invoicing. And if you come up everything like value general contract, only the screen layout is different here, WK1. For value general contract, it is WK, value metal contract, it is WK1. Rest all is same. 10 is not required here, either 1 or nil. And UER1 or UER2, transaction group 4 and standard for time. Probability is 0 because the price of the product, when you are coming on that day base the product pricing, and when you will come we don't know, even though it is 1 year timeline based. So for value contract the probabilities will be 0. Understand? Service contract, just for your understanding I am explaining, we don't work on service contract because it is CRM related. That's the reason you can see here the screen layout is VT, but we don't have the backup of tables for it. So just for your understanding, I'm explaining. There is no much difference between value material contract and service contract. The only difference is product. Service contract is service oriented. That is rent, building maintenance, etc. So here the product is intangible. You cannot see the service. Can you deliver the service? No. So the point here is the service contract itself acts like an order. That's the reason you have here order related billing, that is contract related billing. You have to first point. And second point, you have credit system like your sales order. And the screen layout which shows the service contract is VT. Transaction group, it is falls into the contract segments of four standard document pricing procedure. Quotation message, if a contract is getting created, it is with reference to quotation. If already a quotation has been given, system should read the quotation. That's the intention. So function code for over screen display range, yes. And item division read info record optional settings. Read info record is optional. Item division, yes. And I said the credit system, because within the credit limit the service is also servable. And output is V1. Category is G because it is under the contract segment. Internal external number ranges and item number increment. So these fields makes identity of service contract. Except service contract, we'll see lively the front end execution of these all documents. That is our coming days process. So 10 document types relevant to 10 domains. I explain what fields makes an identity of these 10 documents have been explained. Now take 10 sheets, start writing the fields relevant to 10 domains. Right? Now, here, under sales document header, define sales document type, all document types we made. Now, convert language for sales document type, define number ranges, purchase order type, order reason, and assign order reasons to sales document type for the sales and sales organization. Usage, define usage indicator, and assign sales head to sales document type. Again, under this we have four more settings. This is combined sales or combined distribution, combined division, assign sales order type, parameter for sales area. So these all at a stage we'll be doing in the coming session, and we'll complete the header part so that the upcoming day we can do the item category, the forthcoming day we can do the schedule and category. So by Tuesday, if everything goes well, we'll be done with this chapter. And as informed, tomorrow we have no session, and by tomorrow all this holidays are also is done, festival holidays. After tomorrow, we'll be doing regularly without any break until any technical issue. Otherwise, we'll be doing regularly. So hope you all are managing these breaks for your betterment of subject clarity and subject understanding. Okay. So please make a note, everybody. Don't text me in the morning, sir. We have session. If I'm not responding, you'll be waiting. So as informed in the previous session, again I'm informing today. We are not doing tomorrow. Straightly we are doing on Friday. Right? No, sorry. Today is what? Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah, we're not doing tomorrow. Straightly we're doing on Friday. So thank you all and see you on Friday. Keep practicing till then.